Hello, Kevin Barlow here with Draper Incorporated at InfoComm 2021 in Orlando. Glad to be back in person. We're showing off our foundation mount for LED video walls. This product was launched last year at InfoComm Connect, and since it was a virtual experience, really hard to appreciate it in person. But for those of you who couldn't make it to the show, we wanted to highlight this product. This is what we call an advanced product, meaning it's configured, typically very short lead time, available with any of the models and brands of LED in the marketplace for a flat indoor application. It includes a complete trim package. This is designed with the installer in mind, so we really focus on making it easy to do an excellent job installing the wall quickly and simply. Perfect results, any resolution. Has very extreme XYZ adjustment. Again, if you are not able to make it to InfoComm, we've got this video for you, but we're also glad to do webinars, virtual lunch and learns, and come visit you in person. Please reach out to us. Again, Kevin Barlow at Draper. More information at draperinc.com.